if we get the push and can break this 13 and 12 area, then we can retest that 10 ID high, and obviously yesterday's low, and they have that little low just below it, 875, 9.25 area here. You know, the after hours low, but the magnet is 8.5 that we've had. So anybody coming into that is a good trade. You know, I said, don't worry about those last couple little points up here, because this is where you want to think about the drive from here to here. We've had two good drives, so somebody wants profits. And right timing. We got the right timing on that. There's a good trade. Anybody's got it. Coming back into the scene of the crime, where originally a lot of traders probably got beat looking for this, you know, second shorts. If you don't get it the first time and you say, okay, I'm going to double top it, and you short here, then that's where you get beat. And this is the trade that, you know, traders from the 98 don't see that. So in my opinion, this 3 area is still big, and ahead of that is the 9, and ahead of that obviously is this turning point right here. So the game is on. You know, this is a good trade for the shorts to defend. Still time in the day for either side to win, but currently I believe that the burden is on the shorts to now show that this is not just a, you know, because the long side is the longest leg. So pullbacks are now contras until proven otherwise. Yesterday we had a late day sell-off. I don't know. You could get one again today. The odds don't favor the same thing twice in a row. So I would have to say, you know, unless you're a position trader, it shouldn't matter. You should have had a good day already. And if you are thinking position, then obviously the key is don't let it ever take your stop out. Okay, so I've got the 14.5 as our demon. I've got the 3 right here as the angel. And a good possibility of, you know, coming in and testing just a little bit below this into the middle of 8s, and then see what happens. So good deed, first time back, and this is what I meant by missed traders, man. you know, the higher this bounce, the better the odds for the short, because it also increases the likelihood someone wants to take their profits. So great call, Zeke, with, you know, with our 18.25 resistance zone back in here, where failure came yesterday. A lot of these guys on Twitter, they're using market profile and they're seeing CLVNs and whatever, which, you know, fine, I get it, but I don't get it. So for me, I'm just looking at the rhythm. And right now, longs are not trapped because they have the longest leg. And obviously anything that they've got is, you know, pure gravy, but the lower we come, the more we start to eat into their profits. So the rescue mission, it was done already. And now the key is, can the short side prevail in defending this 15, 16 area that we had said should be critical. And likely that we're going to get this kind of a trading range, and if we do, you know, if this is the wrecking ball trade, then this needs to continue. I'm not thinking that it is. I think we got that yesterday, but I told you I thought we had some range trading to do, and we could do two-way trading today. So that's what we've got, two-way trading. You know, and the perfect example of it is this kind of a pattern that sweeps down and then takes out that eye and then comes up and then comes back down and into the retest zones. I love it. It's just a great pattern because you get decent travel range. You know, we've got more travel range today than we did in the whole week when we were topping. So that's all we can ask for. Thank you, Zeke.